To fix Cash App error code 503, also known as the session error domain 503, follow these steps. First, understand that this error typically occurs due to a temporary issue with the Cash App servers or a problem with your internet connection. Begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to rule out any connectivity issues. Next, close and reopen the Cash App on your device. This simple step can often resolve the issue by restarting your session. If the problem persists, try logging out of the app and then logging back in. This can help refresh your session and potentially resolve the error. Another step is to check for any updates to the Cash App. Ensure you are using the latest version, as updates often include fixes for known issues. You can check for updates in the App Store on your device. Clearing the Cash App cache can also be helpful. The process to do this varies depending on your device, but it typically involves going to your device's settings, finding the Cash App, and selecting the option to clear cache. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Cash App. This will completely remove the app from your device and give you a fresh start when you reinstall it. Lastly, if you continue to experience the error, it may be necessary to contact Cash App support for further assistance. They can help determine if the issue is with their servers or if there is another problem that needs to be addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cash App error code 503 and get back to using the app without any issues. Remember to always keep your app updated and your internet connection stable to minimize the chance of encountering errors.